Gusto ko naglalakad sila, not to uplift the person, but how can I give more value to this person?
Tama. Ang mahal, tas wala namang design. Ano ba ang gusto ko? Diploma, unless the opportunity is there.
Now, talking about product, at saka syempre si DN, what's the future of DN, you think?
Well, obviously,
What can we expect from DN?
I feel, ako lang to. I feel like there is no same atake.
Okay.
Because my inspiration is very minimalist.
Okay.
May mga nagko-comment nga na parang, ano ba naman yan, mahal-mahal.
Mahal namang 750?
Subjective. Pero
Hindi kasi
ang sinasabi nila is
ito. I think just to sorry to cut you off. I think bakit nila nakikita na ang mahal niya. Unang-una hindi pa nila natatry. Hindi pa nila nakita yung quality. Kala nila normal t-shirt lang sa mga nagba-branding ng 250, 300, 400.
Design.
Tsaka walang design.
Again,
Guys, we're in a minimalist.
Yun na nga, because yung atake ko is my interests, my market, which is ikaw, gusto mo 'di ba, plain, ayaw masyadong printed, 'di ba? So, some people say ang mahal tas wala namang design. Kabibiling ganyang kamahal na t-shirt na walang design. Again, it represents something. So, sa akin wala pa nun. Wala pa. Kasi usually it's street. Usually it's medyo Gen Z.
Wala pa nagaganyan eh.
Wala nga akong maisip. Kaya nga, I'm not saying this as mayabang na, hindi ako lang, hindi. Like, genuinely,
This is me.
ano ang wala ngayon sa atin? Ito. Sige, atakin ko to.
No, that's
Hindi.
you eh.
Like, ito yun
yan ka
eh. Ano ko? Actually, last pa nga yun eh. Ano bang trip ko? Yung mga plain. Yung inuulit. Yung pwede kong suot, diretso, naka-blazer ako, lifestyle ako eh. So, ano ba lifestyle ko? Trabaho, workout, content, ganyan. So, hosting ako, naka-blazer ako, diin.
Tama.
Right after nun, pwede akong dumiretso ng gym, tanggal blazer, workout. So, what kind of shirt do I want?
Ito may papakita nga ako sa'yo just to relate to what you're saying para mas maintindihan ng tao. Nagpagawa ako ng hoodie. I made a hoodie na para dun sa shop. Eto.
Sa Gentry. Oh, ganda.
Nakasulat lang, done deal.
Ganda.
Now, when I release this, people would think merch.
It shouldn't. Ayaw mo, di ba?
Merch. Ayoko.
Ayaw mo, di ba?
Okay. So, what I've decided,
Eh.
I ordered 200 neto. These are all not for sale.
Ano lang?
Lahat to pamimigay sa lahat ng bibili ng luxury watch sa amin.
So, it's not accessible.
It's not
Which
accessible.
is a good marketing strategy.
Which is a good marketing. Late na dumating yung marketing strategy. What I first thought lang is I need to give something other than they have transacted with Paring Hype.
Oh.
Gusto ko naglalakad sila, malaman na ng tao na they transacted with Paring Hype.
Tama yun.
Without telling other people that they have.
Tama yun.
So pag nakita nila, nakadandil na shirt yun.
Community-based eh.
Community-based.
So,
Pinakamahirap na gawin,
Pinakamahirap
community
gawin.
building.
So ngayon, when someone sees, kaya nakita tayo, hindi tayo magkakilala. Masipag yun.
Successful yun, pare.
Masipag. Kumbaga,
Ang deal, oh.
exactly. So yun yung gusto mong,
Yun yung gusto ko.
yun yung mindset.
Yes, yun yung mindset. But not to uplift the person, the people seeing it, na mainggit or sabihin ng tao na ganito yung taon to. It's, pinakaunang mindset ko is how can I give more value to this person?
Tama.
Ang inisip ko yung client ko, hindi yung tumitingin sa client ko.
Kumbaga, may Rolex ako kasi
Yeah.
bumili ako kay Paring Hype or whatever watch na binili ko.
Tama.
Yun yung exactly yung diin. When I see it, hindi man kita kilala, pero
Yung diin, pare.
So parang,
Honestly, kahit di mo sabihin
kumbaga, masipag to.
Yes.
Kumbaga,
Yung diin, masipag to.
Trying to level up.
Level up to.
See you at work. Masipag to. So, again, branding yun.
Yung diin na yan, pag nakita ko may nakadiin, alam ko na yung goals niya sa buhay.
Yun. Kumbaga,
Alam ko na yung goals niya. Ang goals nito parang goals ni Tito Mikey.
lumevel up.
Lumevel up.
Kasi bakit ka pipili ng plain shirt?
Lalo pa ako, ang sakit ko pare, pag ganitong plain shirt, tapos nagustuhan ko, bibili
Lahat
ako 5.
ng kulay.
Lahat ng kulay tagli-5. Alam mo yung gano'n, kahit ulit-ulitin ko lang pake.
Tapos, kaya nilagay ko sa gitna, para pag binlaser ko, same.
Kita.
Kasi gano'n naman eh. Pag nag-luxury ka bro, kunyari yung polo, meron lang laging maliit na detail na, tungay na.
Eto. Kahit saan. Makikita mo, meron sa dulo.
Oh, yan.
Sa likod
may
pa nga,
maliit
oh.
lang. May maliit. So, ang
brand.
balak ko, it reaches that point. Kasi ngayon, obviously, it's a new shirt. So, gitna. Pero,
Later on.
hopefully later on, pwede na dito.
Andito na.
Pwede na dito. Pwede mo nang mas itago.
Pero you're still, like, the future of the inn
It
is
will
all
never be-
focused
it will
on
never-
simplicity.
minimalist.
Minimalist siya.
Pwede ako maglabas ng cropped. Pwede ako maglabas ng boxy. Pero the design will always be minimal.
Minimal.
It is, I'm not selling a design. I'm selling a mindset. I'm selling a...
Aside from that,
Yeah.
nakita ko lang the way I wore, yung fitting ng diin.
Yeah.
Pare pag mataba, mahihirapan suotin to eh.
Totoo.
This is not a boxy. This
Yeah,
is
it's not a boxy
regular, semi-slim fit cut siya.
So may
So-
may 3XL or looking at 4, 5XL.
But did you do the sizing nito to help, or not really to help,
Motivate.
to motivate people to get in,
Motivate.
you know?
Yeah, I mean,
To
hindi
get
naman necessarily inisip namin yun na gusto natin mag-fit sila. Hindi, pero again, that's me.
Kasi alam mo si Lululemon, ganun.
Kasi mahilig ako sa ganun eh. Again, this is a whole, hindi ako business-minded na ano yung bebenta.
Tama.
Hindi. Ang utak ko is, ano ba ang gusto ko?
Yes.
Unang-una, kung hindi ko siya susuotin, paano ko siya ipibenta? 'Di ba? So, kailangan ako muna. I need to please myself.
Do you have a general manager for the inn?
Yeah, meron na siya. May team na dun eh. Ako nga pinapagalitan eh. Wala akong
Tama.
hawak.
Kasi alam mo kung bakit, sabihin ko
Wala
pa lang.
akong hawak.
You are the face marketing
Yeah.
of the company.
Wala akong hawak.
Kung may CEO ka, mas lilipad yan.
Yeah.
Pero kung ikaw yung CEO,
Wala.
sakit sa ulo.
All I'm thinking is how I'm gonna promote it.
Tama.
That's it.
That's
Wala.
it. Pare, that's a very...
Of course, dun sa start, meron. Kumbaga, ako yung pumunta sa supplier, usap, ganyan. Mag-isa pa lang ako nun, tsaka yung best friend ko, 2 lang kami. Tsaka si CK, 3 lang kami. Pero nung ito na, pa-launch na, kumuha na ako ng team.
Oo.
I want
Tama.
to focus lang on
Tama.
promotion. Kasi
Tama.
yun ang expertise ko.
Pare, that's a very big self-awareness that you just
Hindi ko
made. Then
expert-
a lot of people are dying. Their business are dying because
Gusto nila ang kinin lahat eh.
Yes. They
Kasi ang
think
isip
they have
nila,
to be the CEO.
babayaran ko pa tong mga to, akin na lang yung kita.
Pare, kung
Hindi
marketing
pwede.
guy ka, marketing ka na
Marketing
lang.
lang
Huwag
ako.
ka nang maging pagpaka-CEO.
Influencer lang ako.
Kasi
bro.
pare, sa totoo lang, ang sakit sa ulo.
Sakit sa ulo nun.
I would
Iniisip ko
rather-
pa yung stocks.
Si paring G, pare, walang pakialam sa operation. Kau na hype ka na. Ang
Diretso.
magaling ako, character ko,
Yes.
content ako, makikipag-deal ako magbenta, mag-acquire ako ng mga stocks, yan, kayang-kaya ko.
More money will come in if you just focus on
What you're good
what
at.
you're good at.
And
And, then
that
you
is-
get people who are good at
Yun
the
nga,
things
yung
that you're not.
self-awareness. Tama.
So, yung kinuha ko, yung best friend ko, nakababata ko, tapos yung asawa niya, business-minded, so sila dun. As in, ano lang, napapagalitan pa ako minsan kasi parang, wag ka mag-order ha, kami lahat. Sige, no problem. So, pero, all the bank accounts na sa akin, pangalan ko, and because, the inn is a side quest. At the end of the day, it's a side quest in terms
Tama
of
naman.
my focus.
Tama naman.
Because, again, my active money is more important. So, ang dami ko si Tito Mikey, hindi ko pwedeng i-stop because Diin is here. Hindi. Diin needs to join Tito Mikey. So, if suddenly I will waste my time being a CEO, maiiwan si Tito Mikey.
Tama. And right now, sa era mo, I think this is the best time to
This is the
create
best
yung sa diin. You know what's the difference between a talent and a business?
Yeah.
Talent, nalalaos.
Totoo yun.
Ang
Naisip
business,
ko yun.
pataas ng pataas.
Kaya nga,
Kaya it's a very
It's a
good
very-
time to plant your seed na.
alam mo na. Kaya,
Oo.
kaya sa akin, if you ask for future plans, one day, no one will know who Tito Mikey is.
Pero alam nila yung diin.
Diin. Ano yung diin?
Actually, yung diin nang magkakarga kay Tito Mikey.
Yeah. Yeah. Na parang,
You will be remembered because of diin. Not the
Tito
now,
Mikey.
diin is known because of Tito Mikey.
because of Tito Mikey. I don't want it to be, kaya nga, may conscious effort na yung,
And it's perfect for you, pare.
May-
kasi wala kang binibenta eh.
wala. And conscious effort yung social media ng diin, hindi puro ako.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang sa akin, it's not na pero mas mahirap kung ako ang gagawa ng branding ng damit for me.
Kasi may
Kasi may Rolex akong binibenta eh.
Totoo, wala akong binibenta. Binibenta ko lang is my life.
Pero you know what the biggest mistake that I could make?
Gumawa ka relo.
Yes.
Mali yun.
Yan yung mga sinasabi ko lagi. Buti na lang andito ka.
Mali yun. Pag
Ilang
gumawa
beses-
ka ng
pare,
relo, bro.
Nagre-resell ng something, tapos gustong gumawa ng sarili niyang brand, ng ganun din. Pare,
Talo ka nun.
talo ka. Parang ikaw, gusto mo ng luxury brand, di ba? Bumibili ka, nagre-resell ka kunyari ng mga luxury brand. Nagre-resell ako ng luxury bags.
Tapos
Hermes, LV, Dior, kung ano-ano. And then, later on, gagawa na rin ako ng bag ko. Mas maganda quality.
Oh.
People don't buy quality.
No. People buy the name.
The quality is already given to all these brands. Andyan na yung quality.
People buy what
Because-
it represents.
Yes. And what it represents them.
Yeah. So, how people will look at me if I'm wearing this.
Tama.
So, ano yung representation? Pag nakita ko naka-Nike ka, atleta to. Pag nakita ko naka-LV ka, medyo may pera to.
Kasi parang hindi mo naman masusuot yung bahay at lupa mo eh.
Hindi po. Relo. Nasa relo lang eh. Pag nakita ko naka-Rolex ka, kaya to. 'Di ba? Now, people say, bakit yung mga naka-Apple Watch na mayayaman? Mayaman. Nandun na sila eh.
Ano, ito ha?
I would love to reach that point.
Yung mga mayayaman na naka-Apple Watch, wala naman silang following eh.
Wala na silang binibenta.
Wala naman silang ini-inspire everyday eh. Wala silang content, guys.
May inspire ba sa atin kung hindi ka nagpakita ng... Ito, naniniwala ko. Ito. People need to see the work and the rewards.
Yeah.
Because if they only see the work, so ano nangyari? Ano yung kinalabasan ng work?
Tama.
If they only see the rewards, paano nangyari yan? So hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. That's why, for the past 2 years, it's been accomplishments and work. Gastos, sipag. Kaya
Work.
meron ako dating parang, sipag content, sipag ano to? Sipag day tayo today. So wala kang makikitang gastos, sipag lang, puro trabaho. Gastos day tayo today. Puta, puro shopping yan. So you need to see both. Because if you want to get invested, kailangan ko makita yung full story.
Okay, other question naman.
Go. 3 hours
Hindi
to-
tayo matatapos dito eh. What do you
Alam mo,
think?
i-cap natin, Brad. 15 minutes game.
Game. Oo, may lakad pa to eh. Sorry,
Oo,
mag-newscast
okay lang,
pa, di ba?
i-cap natin.
Sorry.
Kasi kung kwentuhan lang,
10
wala
10
to.
minutes, 10 minutes, 10
Okay,
minutes.
game.
What do you think about yung mga content creator coaches and mga business coaches?
I don't wanna step on anyone. Kasi syempre,
No, this is, we're giving value.
personal to.
Personal to.
Ako
Kasi kumakalat. Dumadami. And the only reason why I'm asking you is people have already asked me
Yeah. About that.
about that. Na okay ba pong sumali sa course nito?
Okay.
Okay ba pong
is
kumali?
what a lot of people, I've had content na gaganito. Na
Podcast.
medyo I don't wanna call it preaching eh. I call it sharing my experiences. So, wala man tayong sinabing hindi natin experience eh.
Tama.
Di ba? These are all experiences. Ako lang to if one hasn't experienced it, if one hasn't done it,
Don't listen.
hindi naman sa don't listen. Like, hindi naman kita sasabihan na, wag mo nga sabihin yan. I don't waste my time on comment
Tama.
section na ano
Tama.
pa naman.
Mhm.
Kung trip mo yan, trip mo din yung trip mo. Pero, for you to influence me, I kinda need to see it. Paano mo sasabihin sa
Yun
mas
lang din naman
mayaman, paano yumaman?
Even last time, sinabi ko na
I need to see it.
for me, yung sa mga nagko-coaching, okay lang yun. I think,
Okay lang yun.
I think I always give the benefit of the doubt na they're trying to help.
Yeah.
But of course, their time is not free. So,
Sana lang, first-hand experience yung pag-coach mo.
yes, yun nga lang.
First-hand.
Yun yung nagiging very big issue ngayon kasi ang daming magko-coach about business na hindi naman nakapagtayo ng business.
Ako,
Magko-coach about business pero wala namang naipundar na negosyo. Check mo
Mahirap
yung
yun.
portfolio,
Mahirap yun.
wala naman 2-3 business nag-fail pa and then just magsi-sales daw will educate you and train you about
pero
sales.
walang background dun. History.
History
Oh,
niya
ito
is
lang.
pagbebenta rin ng courses.
Ito lang. Walang mali doon. It's just not for me. Hindi lang ako siguro hindi ako yung market.
Tapos ang problema kasi
Hindi ako
nun,
yung market.
you know, okay lang yun kasi you're gonna pick up 1 or 2 things from there.
Yeah.
Basically, 100% sure may mapipick up ka naman. However, wag mong sisihin yung mga coaches na yan at saka yung mga nagtuturo online about sa mga paid courses na yan if hindi naging successful yung business mo dahil wala kang natutunan sa kanila.
Walang sisihan.
Walang sisihan.
Walang sisihan.
Kasi they are going to teach you things that are general.
Walang sisihan.
Otherwise,
Ito
one-on-one
lang yan.
consultation yan.
Ito na lang yan. Magpapaturo ka ba sa tennis coach na nakita mong hindi marunong mag-tennis?
Hindi.
Exactly. So, Pero kung may gagawa nun, edi ikaw bahala ka dyan. Basta ako, it's just not for me. Ako, lahat ng
Look out.
naging mentor ko, didn't even try to be my mentor.
I just saw them.
Na-observe ko lang sila, wow, paano
Diba?
kaya niya ginawa yun? Sometimes nga, you first see the result, and then you ask how.
Mhm.
Nakita ko muna yung resulta, you got my trust because I saw the result eh. Ikaw. Kunyari, ikaw.
Results talaga is
Oo,
first.
kumbaga nakita ko, uy, galing mo ha. Paano mo nagawa yan? Pero yung hindi ko pa nakikita yung resulta, tas magtitiwala ako sa'yo kung paano mo nagawa yan.
Tapos sasabihin mo
Medyo,
agad sa akin, hey bro,
oh.
halika, we have this
bahala sa'yo.
seminar. Tapos, join ka.
Kaya ano ako, I just don't. Ako hindi lang, just not for me. Ako personally, when I speak, it's always, ito yung experience ko. Ito
Speak
yung
something out of
na-realize
yung-
ko.
yeah.
So, kung hindi kayo naniniwala, okay lang. Kung naniniwala kayo, okay lang. Ang masakit, kung siningil ko kayo.
Tama.
Hindi ko mo kayo sinisingil.
That's
Kunyari,
actually
nandito kayo, 3 hours na kayo nanonood. Hindi na namin siguro kasalanan.
one of
yan.
the reasons talaga kung why we decided to do this Paring High Studios is to give value dun sa mga nagtatry.
But, walang pilitan.
Walang pilitan.
Walang
Para hindi to
pilitan.
paid. This is free.
Yes,
If you're gonna
walang
come to me,
pilitan.
sabi mo,
Wala
ang
ba
pangit
tong
ng
bayad?
content mo, tayo na, ba't ka nanood?
Wala ba itong bayad?
Wala.
Ngayon pa.
Tingnan mo,
no?
andito si Tito Mikey,
Wala na ba yan?
sharing his
Puta, wala
content.
pala tong bayad.
Bibili na lang ako maraming diin. Yun na
Pero
lang.
legit. It's just not for me. Ako,
Yeah.
it's just not for me.
Hindi, not everything is money.
Not for me. And
Not
influence
everything
is,
is money.
again, that's influence. Ma-influence ka dun sa mga tao na na-inspire ka. 'Di ba? Wag yung, kunyari, pumasok ako ng gym, nakita ko may batak.
Uy, paano mo nagawa yan? Paano ka na yung
Tama.
ganyan kabatak?
Paano ako magpapa-coach sa mas batak ako? I mean, unless it's scientific.
Wag lang, our advice lang is wag kayo magpadala sa papel.
Hindi.
Wag kayo magpadala na nagsasabi na ganito na yung na-achieve ko. Check mo talaga kung ganun talaga na-achieve.
Hindi. Meron talagang mas matalino sa atin.
Of course.
Kasi nag-aral sila.
Of course.
Pero kung street smarts ang pinag-uusapan natin, sana yung, that's just me.
Diploma o diskarte?
Hindi ako, ano ko eh. Depende ko ng occupation.
Tama.
Because
Of
there
course.
are occupations
Pero
na talagang
generally,
diskarte ako.
diskarte.
Diskarte ako.
Kahit naman sa akin,
Because yung
diskarte.
profession ko, diskarte.
Yes.
Yung profession mo, diskarte. Pero kung doktor tayo, sandali
Parang
lang,
hindi,
anong puro diskarte?
Pare ito, sa totoo lang, kung doktor, yes. You know, I think
Diploma
hindi dapat
muna.
diploma. I think hindi dapat diploma yung term natin eh. Education.
Education. Hindi.
Kasi education comes in very different
Hindi,
image.
honestly, ito lagi ko sinasabi. If you're in school and you have an opportunity to already reach your goals, but you have to leave school, but the opportunity is right in front of you, then
Leave.
by all means go. Pero some people kasi use the diploma diskarte dilemma as an excuse not to go to school.
Tama.
Wait lang, wala pa yung opportunity. It's the same as magsipag ka lang. Magsipag ka lang ng magsipag. Mag-aral ka lang ng mag-aral hanggang dumating yung opportunity. Ngayon, kung nandiyan na yung opportunity, go na. Walang problema doon. Pero yung wala pang opportunity, ayaw mo lang mag-aral. Kasi, hindi naman drop out eh. O so drop out siya, drop out ka din? Hindi.
Tama.
Until,
Kasi, ang daming, di ba, nagtatanong, bro, paring Hybe, tuloy ko pa ba? Kasi nakita ko sa ano mo, kahit na nasa college ka, nag-flip ka na.
pwede ka na
Sabi ko-
mag-flip habang nag-aaral eh.
Sabi ko, pero tinapos ko pa rin.
Totoo yun.
Tama o mali? Tinapos ko pa rin. Why? Kasi it wasn't taking much of our time naman.
Although, of course, there are situations wherein, kunyari, medyo hirap tuition. Gets ko yung mga ganun eh. Hindi naman nila choice yun eh.
Yes.
Pero if you have a choice to go to school and there is no opportunity right in front of you, go to school. Because school might create an opportunity.
Actually, that's what schools are for.
Yeah, to create an opportunity. Ngayon,
for
if
you.
the opportunity is there na, then go. Kunyari, artista ka. Gets mo naman, ba't hindi na nag-aral? Kumbaga,
Tama, andyan na eh.
sumikat na, andyan na yung mga sine. Or,
Tama.
basketball player, in-import na sa Korea, in-import na sa Japan.
Tama. Pero yung titigil ako
Pero
and then
titigil.
maghahanap ako ng
Yun
opportunity,
ang
yung
talaga.
mahirap.
Yun talaga.
Yun yung mahirap. Hindi, kasi actually, mahirap yun in a sense na mas madadapa ka. Kasi you are
pag
already
nadapa
looking.
ka, walang babalikan.
Mas mapapariwara ka. Kumbaga. Mostly ng mga ganon na napapatambay sa mga mali tao.
Wait, ito na lang. Work till the opportunity is there.
And work also means work on your studies.
Everything.
Work on educational. Actually, very abundant na sa totoo lang.
Totoo.
Very abundant na the education.
I went to school. I finished also. I finished tourism. Walang connect sa ginagawa ko ngayon.
Tama.
But, meron akong natutunan na nadadala ko dito. Hindi man tungkol sa aeroplano.
Socializing.
Socializing, yeah. Diba? So, ako para sa akin, diploma unless the opportunity is there.
Diploma unless the opportunity is there. Galing na.
Yeah.
Sip na sip
Diploma.
yung ang galing.
Hirap na. Baka magalit yung mga boomers sa akin. Diploma muna.
Pero honestly, I really, yung boomers nga, medyo iwan na sila sa totoo lang. Millennials and Gen Zs are taking over.
Hindi, pero the thing is with both of us, we were in the middle eh.
Yeah.
So,
Millennial ka, di ba?
Yeah, pero we lived in the 90s, the boomers were, mas marami sila.
Uso pa nga dati yung nagagalit sa trabaho, di ba?
Yeah.
Dapat
So,
ganito.
we grew up in a boomers world.
But we're living in a Gen Z
In the
world.
Gen Z world. So, nasa gitna tayo.
Oo.
So, I still have a little boomer in me. Meron pa din.
Which is, I think, if it was the discipline of the boomers,
You just gotta know.
ang ganda.
You just gotta know which is, like, boomers, work, walang reklamo. Para yung ate ko, yung mga magulang ko, walang reklamo yan, man. Like, kung papauwiin ka ng ganyang oras, pauwiin ka ng ganyang oras.
Yes,
Ngayon kasi
boomers.
medyo, pwede online na lang.
Pero, what's good about Gen Zs and Millennials, I think they're more creative.
Yes, they're definitely more
Kasi
creative.
they have more access
Definitely.
to modern technology.
Kumbaga, hindi na lang, there is no one way to live life.
Yes. Pero, pag time na yun, hindi na uso overtime, pare.
Do you know?
Hindi na uso overtime.
Kaya nga,
Work-life balance ang
kaya
ngayon.
para sa akin, both have their
Ups and downs.
ups and downs. So parang, which CK is a big help kasi Gen Z is CK. So siya mismo yung, wag mo sasabihin yan, boomer ka eh. So, ganun, bawal na ba ngayon yun?
Mas onion skin nga lang ang Gen Zs.
Oo naman. Bawal na ba yun? Bawal na yan, babe. Mga ganyang terms, ganyan. Minsan kahit hindi mo na miniminin as an insult, ganun lang kasi dati eh. So, iniintindi mo din. I think adaptability is also important. Evolve. You need to evolve. What worked before doesn't necessarily mean it will work now.
Yes. Not even success. Success is not permanent, pare.
Iba-iba.
Kahit ngayon, nandito tayo, nag-usap, we were enjoying this luxury life.
Malay nyo, pag na-edit to, laos na pala kami.
After 3 years, naghihirap na pala kami.
Di mo alam eh. That's why also in this space, you're on your toes.
Yeah.
I think, ako personally, I suck at stability.
Lahat ng may ADHD ganyan, bro.
I hate being paid na pareho lang
Regularly.
kahit anong
Parang
gawin ko. Pag sipag man ako, tama rin ako, ito ang bayad sa akin, I will suck at that. But some people, kumbaga, are successful in that.
Ako,
Pero
I'm eager
hindi.
naman to grow.
Ano yan?
I'm eager to grow.
Yeah,
every
parang-
day. Gusto ko may something new.
Kumbaga, hindi ako gaganahan sa araw na to kung hindi ko alam na may makakamit ako. Or kung hindi ko alam na may mabe-benefit ako. Or may kikitain ako.
Wow.
So,
Alam mo,
every day
Tito Mikey, I think this podcast...
may part 2 na lang.
May part 2 ito eh. We have to pick each other's brain more pa.
Ito na pinakamahaba akong podcast. Walang lokohan. Sa daldal ko to. Oh my God. Pinakamahaba ko tong podcast.
Huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. We will be back with Tito Mikey again on our next episodes.
Ilang clips usually yung ginagawa nyo?
9?
O ngayon mga 27 times 3. Times 3 guys. Hindi, pero definitely man, sa lahat ng mga followers ni Paring Hype, Paring G, Paring Chol, and everything na ginagawa ng
Gentry.
Tuloy nyo lang. I mean, it's actually tuloy nyo lang. It's something that
Actually, we're just cherry on the top of what you have started. Kaya we enjoyed talking to each other kasi we have the same perspective on how the
And I
luxury
think
life
we
works.
were
And we
in-
were
we're
down.
in the same era.
Same era tayo.
Same era
Same
tayo.
tayong down before. We had the same perspective na luxury is ridiculous until we reached
you
it.
experience it.
We experienced it. And then
Ayaw mo na
nakita
bumaba, no?
Ayaw mo nang bumaba kasi iba na rin yung tao doon. Iba na rin
na.
yung value and yung money na pinag-uusapan
Yeah,
doon. So, I think that's it.
Yeah, so dun sa mga nanonood, hopefully tuloy nyo lang yung aspirations ninyo. I think with Paring Hype even, I'm more vocal with manifestation, work, ganyan-ganyan. Pero just watching Paring Hype and all the pares, kita nyo yung work that they put in. So, ma-inspire lang kayo. Yun lang
Parang
naman. At the end of the
biruin
day,
mo,
it's all about inspiring.
25 contents kami per week.
Oh, there. 25 contents per week. Shared.
Shared. Lahat na kami.
Dami nun.
Lahat na yun.
Dami nun.
Pero lahat yung TikTok. 25 content sa TikTok.
That's a lot. So again, it's sipag. 'Di ba?
Sipag.
I can relate to it kasi no waking moment sa akin is hindi posibleng gumawa ng content.
Tama.
Everything. Nung isang araw, nag-content ako na gumawa ako ng peanut butter sandwich, guys. Tapos kinain ko. So, again, it's something that, dun sa mga nasa Alipin era,
Start somewhere.
you gotta start. You just gotta do it, man. Ano na gone are the days na pag-iisip. Ito na lang, I will leave with this. If you want to be perfect at it before you start, you will never start.
Mhm.
And if you want to be perfect at it, you gotta start. Because
Tanya.
kung iintayin nyo pa na kailangan maganda muna yung ganyan ko, dapat perfect to, kailangan perfect to, tsaka ko isa-start, hindi pwede. You started with what? Anong unang camera mo? Phone?
Yeah,
Phone.
phone lang.
Di ba? Walang mic.
Walang mic.
Di ba? Edit. Cellphone. And then now, may team ka na, 40 na kayo. So again, it's hopefully ma-inspire kayo. And
This is what this is all about talaga, inspiration.
Pero,
we would like to inspire people.
although, if you do have those, yung mga sinabi mo sa akin kanina, yung mga talk, ganyan, extra guy, you need an extra guy. I would love to,
Sige,
get in front of a crowd, talk.
sarap 'di ba?
Oo naman. Madaldal eh.
Madaldal
Sabi ko
eh.
na tangina dalawang madaldal, pinagsama sa podcast.
Anyway,
Hindi ko alam. Sige na.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Tapos
much
mo na yan.
Ano
pa plug ko?
Plug mo yung DN.
Diin, guys, you can mabibili nyo sa Shopee, shopee.ph/diin.ph. It's also on TikTok Shop. Honestly, hindi ko binibenta yung t-shirt sa inyo. Binibenta ko yung mentality.
Brother, if also, kasi I've been into the e-commerce era
Yes.
for 4 years akong nasa e-commerce era, and we've really totally destroyed the e-commerce era in our era. So, if you have time, if you want, I can meet with you just to help you out, guys.
naman.
Website mo, how you do. Nasa Last Mall din ako eh.
Oh, really?
So, yeah. So, may something that I don't broadcast publicly. Meron din akong Last Mall na gumagana na on.
Well,
ano
definitely this will not be the last na makikita nyo magkasama kami ni Hybe. So,
Sige.
thank you very much.
Thank you so
can
much.
Follow us on all social media platforms. Alam nyo na yan.
I'll see you soon, guys. Wait for part 2.